Mosta ba yung question ko, trina ka sa? Kiki question tayo, Jel.
Oh, I'm scared.
Quem tá Betty?
I-
Quem tá
Quem
Betty?
Betty 1, quem Betty 2?
No, it's one Betty. It's one Betty. If you listen to Party 1 to Party 2, it's a story. I'm talking to one specific person. I'm not gonna name any names, pero ta
Betty? You already did.
Betty. Ito persona ko mita ba ta close ko niyan to ko ma-develop feelings pe kami na maybe that wasn't the right thing. You can try to ruin your relationship with this person by, making it weird off.
Making an album.
Or you can talk that. You can talk that.
And just hold it.
And try to not make things weird. In my experience, everything takes the course that it was supposed to take. Ultimately, does Sibo say something? If you express your feelings and to try to see what that does to the relationship, it'll take the same course. Kusibo no bisa ko awaki until it being naklamas lat. So you gotta decide what's best for you.